2001 GMC Sierra. This is what it sounds like before we do duals on it. You guys been requesting. This is what it sounds like stock. We'll let you guys hear it after. So we showed you how it sounds before. I will show you what it sounds after and what we did to it. Still got converters on it. They're aftermarket. Somebody else had them done. I don't know about those welds. But anyways, you guys make fun of our welds. Whatever. Look at that. And that. Anyways, then we did 3-inch into 2.5-inch Y pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes, all the way back, mandrel bent pipes, into 4-inch tips, double wall, stainless steel. Right there, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hopefully you guys like it. I think it'll sound good. That's what it sounds like. GMC Sierra 5.3 liter. Let you guys hear on the inside. Traffic galore, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know